Imagine for a moment a world where buildings spring up overnight, where waste is minimal and architectural creativity knows no bounds. Sounds like a science fiction novel, doesn't it? However, this is not a distant dream. This is the future of construction, a future made possible by the revolutionary technology of three-dimensional or 3D printing. In the heart of Europe, a company named Camp C made history in the summer of 2020. They constructed the first two-story building using a fixed 3D concrete printer, a significant milestone in the construction industry. The building, standing tall at 8 meters high, was not just a demonstration of technological prowess, but also a testament to the potential of 3D printing in revolutionizing the construction process. The Camp C project unveiled an array of benefits that 3D printing brings to the table. One of these is the dramatic reduction of material waste. In traditional construction methods, up to 30% of the material ends up as waste. With 3D printing, the printer uses exactly the amount of concrete needed for the structure, thus reducing waste significantly. Besides, 3D printing offers the gift of time. The Camp C building, with its complex design and impressive stature, was printed in less than 3 weeks. Compare this to the months it usually takes to construct a building of similar size using conventional methods, and the benefits become clear. Lastly, 3D printing provides architects with a newfound freedom of design. The printer can handle complex geometric forms with ease, opening up a world of possibilities for innovative and unique designs. The Camp C building, with its intricate design and smooth finish, stands as a shining example of this design flexibility. In conclusion, 3D printing is transforming the construction industry as we know it. It is paving the way for faster construction times, significantly reducing material waste, and sparking a creative revolution in architectural design. This technology is not just a passing trend, it is the cornerstone of a new era in construction, an era that promises to be more efficient, more sustainable, and more innovative than ever before. The future of construction is here, and it is three-dimensional.